contamination of foods by chemical hazard is a worldwide public health concern and is a leading cause of trade problem internationally. Contamination may occur through environment, pollution of the air, water, and soil, such as the case with toxic metals, polychlorinated beneficiates, and genomics, or through the international use of virus chemicals such as pesticides, animal drugs, and other agrochemicals. Chemical hazard is a food include chemical compounds that when a sufficient amount is consumed can inhibit absorption and or destroy nutrients. The hazards are carcinogenic, pathogenic, and teratogenic. All chemicals are poisonous, especially when ingested at toxic levels, with toxicity defined at many levels depending on the substance dealt with. Even nutrients essential to life such as sodium, iron, copper, and iodine can be poisonous. Table salt becomes a poison even little in a healthy person, with 12 ounces are consumed at one time. Although some chemical preservatives and other food activities are beneficial, they can also be toxic in excessive amounts.
Naturally occurring chemicals. Ciguatoxin. What is ciguatoxin is? Ciguatoxin is an example of fish poisoning and intoxication from the consumption of tropical fish. The origin of the toxin is from mid-sea creatures called algae. The toxin is heat stable and cannot be destroyed by cooking. Different marine fish ingest algae containing toxin, which accumulate in the fish over time. Symptoms of ciguatoxin poisoning include common foodborne illness symptoms, and unique symptoms include weakness and slight paralysis of the mouth, tongue, throat, hand, and feet. 3 types of ciguatoxin. First, common food. Marine finfish are the most common causes of ciguatoxin poisoning. Common marine finfish species include barracudas, grappers, jacks, mackerel, snappers, and triggerfish. Second, transmission in food. The toxin is transferred to finfish after their ingestion of toxin containing algae. Third, prevention. The toxin is not destroyed by cooking, therefore, prevention can be very difficult. Purchasing seafood from reputable supplier is the best preventive measure.
Shellfish toxin. Shellfish toxins. There are numerous examples of shellfish toxins. The most common include paralytic shellfish poisoning, PSP, diarrheic shellfish poisoning, DSP, amnesic shellfish poisoning, ESP, and neurotoxic poisoning, NSP. All involve an accumulation for toxins produced in shellfish. Paralytic shellfish poisoning. Paralytic shellfish poisoning is caused by a different dinoflagellate with a different toxin than the one responsible for ciguatera poisoning. These dinoflagellates have a red-brown color and can grow to large numbers that cause red streaks to appear in the ocean called red tide. This toxin is known to concentrate with certain shellfish that typically live in the colder coastal waters on the Pacific states. Fish that have caused this disease include mussels, cockles, clams, scallops, oysters, crabs, and lobster. Satitoxin is the poisonous molecule in this organism that causes paralysis by blocking sodium channels necessary for mussels to contract.
There is another foodborne microorganism that can cause disease. It's called mycotoxin. So what is mycotoxin? It is a toxic secondary metabolite produced by organisms of kingdom fungi and is capable of causing disease and death in both human and other animals. The term mycotoxin is reserved for toxic chemical product produced by fungi that readily colonize crops. Examples of mycotoxin causing human and animal illness include aflatoxin, citrinine, fumonisin, ochratoxin A, patolan, trichoticins, zearalenone, and ergot alkaloid such as ergotamine.
Added chemicals. There is a long list of chemicals added to foods which can pose health risk. Intentionally added chemicals may include food additives, food preservatives, and pesticides. Pesticides leave residues on fruits and vegetables and can usually be improved by vigorous washing procedure or by peeling off the produced skin. Use of intended food additives is regulated by the Food and Drug Act to assure that they are safe. Chemical hazard can be divided into three general categories: poisonous substances, adverse food reaction like food allergy, food sensitivity, and nutrition issues.
Poisonous substances. Toxic plant materials include solanine in potatoes, hermagolatinins and impurities innovators in robins and peas, chagonins in fruit kernels, and phytolexins in sweet potatoes, celery, and parsnips. Several of these compounds can be eliminated by preparation methods. For example, solanine is eliminated when the green surface portion of potatoes is peeled or trimmed. Fruit seeds and fruit pits containing chagonins are usually discarded. Hemagglutinin or protease innovators in raw plant seeds are eliminated cooking with the moist heat oxidants. Chemical associated food. Tea, cocoa, spinach, and beet has a chemical oxalate rhubarb. Associated food. Green potato has a chemical glycoalkaloids. Associated food. Lima beans and cassava has a chemical cyanolacylglycosides. Associated food. Red kidney beans and other beans has a chemical phytomagglutinin. Associated food. Spice and herbs has a chemical various carcinogens.
Intentional food additives include GRAS, generally recognized as safe, compounds that may have inadvertently been added in excessive amounts. Example: include excessive addition of nitrites and nitrates in processed meat, excessive use of monosodium glutamate in prepared foods, and excessive use of sulfates in dried fruits and wine. Another example is the intentional for an instant additional of peanut butter to a product without disclosure could result in fatal anaphylactic shock for sensitive individuals.
Chemical created by process include those created when meat is boiled excessively over hot charcoal, and when fat or oil has been heated excessively or for a long time. Some contaminated products include hydronuclear aromatic hydrocarbon heterocyclic amines. Agricultural chemical include pesticides and herbicides when the increased utilization of chemical in agriculture and animal husbandry. The chains of chemical food contamination are going throughout the world.
Also a problem in terms of foodborne illness hazard. In 1990, the USD sampled 35,561 livestock and 9,132 poultry for drug residues and found residual levels in 132 and 12 samples respectively. Drug residues in food can cause violent allergic reaction in sensitive people who consume these products. Or accidentally addition of toxic substances during food handling in the food service and food production operation can also occur. This type of hazard is often traced to storage of toxic cleaning and sanitizing chemical in food storage containers. Unintentional additives are those chemical substances which find their way into food through in a certain stage manufacture or handling of food. For example, fertilizer and pesticide residues from farm, lubricants from food processing equipment, and chemicals from packaging materials, such as copper or lead from pipes or sizzling materials, can likewise leach into food and water, causing heavy metal poisoning. There are many material handling devices used at logistic work sites. This includes forklifts, carts, pallets, conveyors, conveyance robots, sorters, picking system, and automated warehouses.
Package material can leach as well in the US. In the past, there was concern about the leaching of lead from the solder of caseins and polychlorinated bufons from cardboard package. Since then, these compounds have been almost completely eliminated from packaging system. However, these types of packaging material may still exist in the regions of the world. There is also concern over the safety of certain plastics, especially those that may be used in heating or reheating of foods in a microwave. Heavy metals and radioactive isotopes from industries can also find their way into food, usually through water sources. An example of this is the level of mercury in fish taken from the lakes and rivers.
About 1% of the population is allergic to compounds, usually certain proteins found in food. Allergic reactions vary with each individual's sensitivity. In the United States, preferred foods must have an ingredient label.
Chemical detections and monitoring. Food establishment must know the regulation and get professional help in detecting and monitoring chemical hazards. For example, in a pesticide poisoning incident, some of the factors are to know are: first is the amount of contaminated food eaten. Second, which pesticides was used. Third, how much of the chemical was used when the food item was last spread. How the produce was washed, peeled, prepared, or cooked, etc.
Plant toxin. Examine for mycotoxins. Purchase products that are visibly free from molds, yeast, or any signs of deterioration. Grains and nuts should be dry and fresh looking. Store foods properly. Observe the right temperature and humidity conditions and proper packaging. Avoid prolonged storage. Do not eat wild mushrooms or varieties unfamiliar to you. To be certain, buy and serve only those traditionally used and tested to be fit for consumption. Cook thoroughly. Many plant toxins are destroyed by heat. Some beans like fava beans and red kidney beans are not safe to eat when undercooked. Potatoes that have thick green layer underneath the skin should be rejected. Do not serve them. However, if the layer is thin, it can be peeled off.
Physical hazard is any potentially harmful foreign matter not normally found in food, such as number 1, glass particles from light bulbs, glass food container, and other that might be broken with the glass. Number 2, wood splinters. Number 3, stones, dirt, and vegetables, like photographs such as peas and beans. Number 4, metal showings, like broken needles. Number 5, hard plastic like packaging, gloves burn, and other utensils. Number 6, cloth, common source, fragments of rugs. Number 7, personal effects like jewelry, nails, and cigarette.
Physical hazard possible control measures. Visual inspections, filters, shapes, metal detectors, magnets, separation by dentistry, x-rays, personal precautions like hair, net, gloves, working cloths.
Neurotoxic shellfish poisoning, also in bivalves, caused by eating shellfish contaminated by toxin formed by dinoflagellate and associated temporally with red tides. Toxin is coined brevetoxin and is structurally and functionally similar to kiguatoxin, increased excitability with similar symptoms. Common food. Any shellfish may contain toxins. PSP more common in mussels, clams, and scallops. Can be used by mussels, oysters, and scallops. ASP is more common in mussels, while NSP is common in Gulf coast marine animals. transmission in food. Shellfish toxins are inherent in marine shellfish. Prevention. Purchase food from reputable supplier. Amnesic shellfish poisoning. Amnesic shellfish poisoning is an illness caused by the ingestion of contaminated shellfish. Examples: mussels, clams, oysters, and even Dungeness crabs that prey on shellfish. Shellfish become contaminated when they consume phytoplankton or algae containing high concentrations of the marine toxins domoic acid.